Here we have number 7. It asks us to find the value of x. So notice that here we have a diameter, which is going to be in blue. And the diameter here is intersected with a chord right here. This is the chord. Notice that when the diameter intersects the chord, it intersects it at 90 degrees, but as well as it intersects to create two equal parts of that chord. So that means this part here, which is 3x16, has to be equal to this part here, which is 12x plus 7. This is only when a diameter intersects a chord at 90 degrees. Okay, that is only true here. All right, now you can solve minus 3x. This becomes 9x plus 7 is equal to 16. Minus 7, this gets you 9 equals 9x. Divide by 9 to both sides. We get 1 is equal to x. Okay, next one. Notice that we have a chord here and a chord here. All right, the fact that they're the same equal distance and it's marked here, we know that the chords here of AB and the chord here of DC are congruent because of equal distance to the center. Therefore, you can set up the equation. 3x minus 11 is equal to x plus 9. Minus x to both sides, you get 2x minus 11 is equal to 9 plus 11 to both sides. That gets you 20 is equal to 2x. Divide by 2, you get x is equal to 10. So there you go. That is how you use the chord properties to find the value of x.